I just noticed that I have a couple of blueberries there, which is really exciting. I love blueberries, so I can't wait to see how many I get off of this plant. I really think I need to go ahead and get these peppers off of here. They have not grown. They've been like this for several days, so I think they may be done growing, and I just need to go ahead and get them off. They're tiny, but they look really good, so we'll see. Now these are the collards. I said that something had been eating them, so I cut them down and they're coming back in and they're looking better. Nothing is eating them right now, so we'll see how they go from here. The same is true with my cabbage, but and it's coming in nicely now too. The kale is the only one that didn't seem to make it. Now here are my sweet tomatoes, and it's doing extremely well. This is supposed to be one that yields fruits through the fall, so we'll see how that goes. I'm really excited. Tomatoes have been delicious off of here. My little faithful strawberry plant. So this little plant has given me a strawberry or two. Typically every couple days I can get one off of here. It's really small, but the strawberries have been delicious. Whereas this plant here has not yielded not one strawberry the entire season. But I enjoy what little ones I get off of my little plant there. Now this is my other tomato plant, and this plant has done very well all season. I've probably gotten about 10 to 12 tomatoes off of here, and I've got about 3 on here now. but the plant is not looking as healthy now. So I'm thinking it might be done after these tomatoes come off, but I'll continue to water it and care for it and see what happens. But it's really not looking healthy like it was. If you have experience with growing tomatoes, if you could let me know what I should do, because it's starting to look really sick, drop down in the comments and let me know. Here is my sweet potato plant. Now, I planted this from an actual sweet potato and I put it in the sweet potato growing bag. And so it is doing really, really well in terms of the greenery on here. I have no idea if there's potatoes down in there or not. I need to go into the pouch on the side of the bag and kind of see if I can figure things out. But it has really amazed me because it was a little small sweet potato that I put in this bag a couple months ago, and all of this has come out of it. So hopefully I'll get some potatoes. If not, I can just enjoy the beautiful plant. And here are a couple of my little harvests. I'm always so excited when I can get anything off of here, but this is what I've been able to grow through this season. I thank you so much for coming on this tour of my garden. I hope that you've enjoyed it. I also hope that you will check out the 3 hosts of this challenge as well as the playlist so that you can take tours of other people's gardens and maybe get some ideas for growing fruits and vegetables or beautiful flowers in containers in small spaces. Thanks so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe if you're not currently a subscriber of my channel. I would love to have you over here, and I will see you back here next time. Bye-bye.